This is an example of a video lesson recorded using my iPad and Keynote. It's a good idea to pre-type your notes, make all the slides that you need. You can use the play button, but most people will probably just want to navigate manually while they're speaking. If you do this on your iPad, you have the ability to draw. And this is useful because you could kind of just teach the lesson the way you would at the board. You just have to use slides to put in the drawings. To add a drawing, you just do the plus button and then select drawing, and you'll see the tools come up. You can change colors. You have a marker, a pencil, a crayon, paint, and you even have an eraser. You can change the thickness and the transparency. You could do a math problem, you could write notes, you can draw a picture, you can do what you need to do. If you have an image of a map, you could draw on it on there, however you needed to do it. And then I would suggest, since you're recording, live, that instead of erasing, you just add a slide, and you could add those beforehand. But if you click the plus down on the bottom left below the slide navigation, you can choose what type of slide. I would just pick a blank one, and I could keep writing and doing what I wanted to do. When you're ready, when you're in drawing mode, there's a blue bar that you see at the top. Click done, and that'll get you out of drawing mode. All the drawings are saved. You can see this is one image. I can move around, delete, do whatever I want to do. On another slide, I have the rest of my lesson. If you want to show a video or a website, you should probably have those ready open in the background before you start the video. That way you don't have to fumble around looking for it. I have a couple of things behind me, so if I double click, I see all the things I have open. I can navigate to a website, and you can see the different things I have here. I could show this as part of my lesson when I'm finished. Double click the home button. I can go back to the Keynote. I have a YouTube video. You might want to play a video within your recording. I can do that here. I won't do it for long. And then go back to the Keynote. Now, one of the features in Keynote is an image gallery. So one of the things I was able to do was add this gallery here where you see the Potty PD. I can put several images, virtually unlimited amount, into this box, and then it will automatically have this arrow here so I can go between them. And of course, since it's the iPad, you could pinch to just zoom in. Now you could of course just do this on separate slides. There's no reason not to, but I want to show you that that's a capability of the iPad. You would add an image gallery with the plus symbol, and there's an image gallery option under photos or media where you would add that there. And this would be how you use the combination of Keynote and iPad with the recording button on your iPad to effectively have a recorded video lesson.